Okay, so here you are. He's in Nicaragua with his wife, looking to buy maybe a house.
Oh no, we bought the house.
Oh, they bought the house. So we are in the process of closing, but first we have to eat something good. Okay?
Karina's teaching us how to make salsa and guacamole. Nico style. This is not like anything I've ever had before.
Sopa de tortilla. Donas. Sopa de rosquilla, ¿les gustó?
Donut soup, they liked it.
Donut for breakfast? Are you kidding me? Look. Unbelievable.
Iguana.
No. Guano taco.
You remember?
Just onions and chili?
Chilero.
Chillerons and chili.
Chilero.
Exceptional.
He's here.
The man.
He's confiscating food.
What's up, brother? Very good, very good. Ahora sí, ahora.
¡Qué es su delirio!
Oh, look at that. Mira qué rico, chicharrón con tortilla. Bueno, así que hay que está súper endeudada con los chicharrones con tortilla, ¿no?
¡Ah, yo no fui! Esa es Teresa.
Ah, Teresa, vete.
Teresa la cine.
Oye.
Le deben esos chicharrones.
Qué rico, mira.
Pruebe.
Vamos a probar el chicharrón. Ah. Esto es chicharrón con tortilla.
Ahí está el chile, miren. A este lado está el chile. Con picante.
Once you start,
Pico de gallo.
once you start, you can't stop eating this.
No, it's impossible. Entonces, mira, chicharrón, chile, tortilla.
Y ahí está la carne para asar.
Pero carne.
Sí, como me dijo, pimienta, ajo y aceite de oliva nada más.
We didn't see this.
Perfecto, esto es el filet mignon, ¿verdad?
That's the beef.
Ah, marinating.
Yeah.
Lo tuve aquí. Vamos a ver. Esto es un taquito de ¿cómo es? Ya me pegué. Bueno.
It didn't last long enough.
Ya.
No, it's not so little. You can shrink it.
Qué rico. Ahí estamos.
So, siempre lávense la mano. Wash your hand before touch any food, okay? Como aquí. I'm gonna give you tortilla con queso, cheese and tortilla. Very typical in Latin countries because, you know, we produce a lot of cheese. This is white cheese, tortilla with corn. That's what made of corn, no flour. And then in Mexico, they love a lot of flour, but also a lot of corn with pico de gallo, spicy if you like spicy now.
I like your spicy.
Now you like that spicy. So bring me the plate and we go for it, okay? Check it out. So we put some olive oil. So what I'm doing is just put some tortilla here and here. This is not the cheese for this, but it works. Okay, so doesn't have a lot of salt, but a lot of pepper for sure. This is what we call filet mignon. And in Nicaragua, the meat is really tender. So when you come to Nicaragua, try the filet mignon, either with red wine, olive oil, put it on fire, and that's it. It's really delicious. You're gonna try. Oh man, we're sealing it right now a little bit. So you have to get it right, okay? Qué rico. Now, just try. You can, dame un tenedor y cuchillo, por favor. Very simple and easy dish. Tortilla, cheese, pico de gallo. Para que ellos prueben. Gracias, amor. Como yo soy el chef, puedo probar. There you go.
Okay.
Papirica. Qué rico. So what we do is a very simple. I'm not a cook, so please, you can forgive me if something goes wrong. But basically, what we do is just put hot pan like this, cut the tomato in the middle. Don't add anything, no oil, no nothing. Just the tomato straight to the hot pan, very hot, because you want to seal it. So you're gonna seal the tomato in two phases. And then after that, you can mix some olive oil with garlic and then salt and pepper. Then, if you want, you can add some red wine or basically white wine also, or some rum to give that flavor. Done. You can mix it with tortillas and your meat. This is a special episode because they are in the process right now of hunting, scouting, looking, checking out. They've never been in Nicaragua before. They are my followers, one of my followers in YouTube. So thank you, YouTube, for helping us to do this possible. And we have a beautiful team right now. Karina, Betty, Teresa, and who else? Yeah, Betty. She's, wait a minute, look. This is Betty. If you never saw Betty, this is Betty, and we're gonna edit this medu, so don't forget.
And Karina.
Wait. And then Karina. She's Karina.
Who's teaching us how to make salsa.
So when you rent the house from Airbnb, Karina gonna be taking care for you and for you. So look at that, the other camera we have right there. Betty is right now helping us to follow this episode. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned because very soon we're gonna look you in the new house.
Yes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
So definitely, guys, my friends here, they're ready to make the next step, take the next step, and go into a new journey, which is Nicaragua journey. So thank you guys for giving me this chance. And if you have questions about how can I do it, how can I go to Nicaragua, where can I stay, can I really buy a property in Nicaragua, how many things do I need to know before to make that important decision? Do I need Carlos? No necessarily, because we have very good agents like Joel, like Leslie, like Joao, like Natalie, like all these friends that do real estate like me. Thank you also, guys, because you're making a great work to make Nicaragua look awesome. So I want to say thank you to you guys also. So if you have any questions, beach property, country, Managua, Granada, so send me your emails. If I don't have the property, these guys may have it for you and I can introduce you to them as well. Because this is all about, it's about a team. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy. We have a great time together. Next video is my friends in the new house. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Nicaragua.